Let's learn how to copy videos from a Chinese app and re-upload them on YouTube Shorts. If you want to know how to copy videos from a Chinese app and re-upload it on YouTube Shorts, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. First, open your Play Store. In the search bar, type Xiaohongshu to find the app. Once you see it, click on the install button to download and install the app on your device. After the installation is complete, open the Xiaohongshu app by tapping on its icon. When you first open the app, you'll see a prompt asking you to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on Agree to continue. Next, you'll be asked to select your interests. Now, pick at least 4 topics that you're interested in. This will help the app tailor the content you see. Once you've made your selections, tap on Next. You may be prompted to allow the app to access your contacts. Tap on Allow to enable this feature. Now scroll down the app's homepage. You'll find a variety of videos available for viewing. Once you find a video you like, tap on it to open it. Look for a save or download option. This may vary based on the app's interface, and save the video to your device. Now, let's create some engaging captions for your video. Open ChatGPT and type in your request. For example, I need 10 funny and humorous captions for my video about a cat. After sending your request, ChatGPT will generate several captions for you to choose from. Next, open the CapCut application, which you will use for video editing. Once in CapCut, click on the Import button to upload the saved video from Xiaohongshu. After uploading, drag the video to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can make edits to your video. Now, click on the audio option. Here you can choose background music. Once you select your music, drag the audio file to the timeline. Make sure the audio fits well with your video. You can adjust the length of the audio by dragging the edges and even splitting it if needed to match the video better. Next, go to the text option. Here you can add captions or any other text you want to display in your video. Drag the text to the timeline and position it where you'd like it to appear. Now, return to ChatGPT and copy the humorous captions you generated earlier. Then, go back to CapCut and paste the text into your video. Once you've pasted the text, you can adjust its position, font size, and style. You can change the colors as well. You can also select a preset style that fits the theme of your video. After you're satisfied with your edits, play the video to check everything. Make sure the audio, text, and video flow well together. Finally, click on the Export button, located in the top right corner. Here you can select the resolution, bitrate, codec format, and frame style for your video. Once you've made your selections, click on Export to save your video. Now you can re-upload it to YouTube Shorts. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.